So you're not going to entertain the possibility that you're not going to even entertain the possibility that you might have lost the keys.
No, I'm not, Jonathan. You know it was you, and you know I'm not being busy. When did you have them last?
Il-play hija fuq storja ta' koppja, Jane u Arthur, li iltaqgħu meta kienu in their 30s. U l-istorja taħodna minn dak il-moment sal-moment meta hu jinduna li għandu demenzja. Naraw il-proċess, naraw l-istorja kif tiżviluppa bejniethom din marda tant diffiċli ta' demenzja.
Came home and they were on...
Where?
They were...
In other words, huwa dramm dwar it-tlugħ u l-inżul ta' koppja. Dramm li jista jbikkimna daqskemm inisslilna tbissima. F'din ir-rokna nidħlu wara l-kwinti ta' din il-produzzjoni bis-sehem ta' Jes Camilleri u bir-ritorn ta' Denise Mulholland għal fuq il-palk.
Check the pot by the front door. Well, what about the drawer on your bedside table?
There.
Look, Arthur, you had them last. I know you did.
Għandha ħafna momenti sabiħ fil-istorja, fil-play, speċjalment għax hemm l-użu ħafna tal-mużika ta' Frank Sinatra, li naraw li kif il-mużika għandha ħafna saħħa biex tolħoq il-memorji u l-affarijiet sbieħ fil-moħħ tal-bniedem. Alla volja ma jistax jitkellem jew jimxi daqshekk tajjeb, bis-saħħa tal-mużika qisu jibda jiġi lura u jiftakar u jista' jitkellem b'mod sempliċi ħafna u naraw kif l-imħabba hija kollox, speċjalment f'koppja bħal dawn.
It's the last thing you would think about. Why would you? There is no way. It would have been impossible to connect this with everything. It would be impossible to not blame yourself for missing it.
Fil-verità nużaw ħafna l-mużika ta' Frank Sinatra, għax dan il-karattru kif semmit Kjara, il-mużika ta' Frank Sinatra ġelu jerġa' jġib ħafna memorji u tieħdu l-bot mid-dinja tad-demenzja li qed toħnoq l-komplement ta' ħajtu. Issa l-komplement tal-mużika u s-sound li noħolqu qed nużawha b'tal-imod li toħloq mera fil-moħħ ta' dan il-karattru li ovvjament meta tkun biċċimbuċ ma' persuna hekk diffiċli tkun taf eżatt minn xi qed jgħaddi, però b'dawn bil-mużika u bis-sound li nsibu mod kif inwasslu l-udjenza persuna li qed tbagħat bid-demenzja x'qed tħoss u moħħha kif qed jaħdem tul dak il-proċess.
As I got back to our front door, I mean literally right to the front door, lights came back on again. It all came back to me. So I marched to the shops, grabbed my milk and stamps of Victoria's. Hey, it's been a long day. I'm a forgetful person, right? This was just a sign of me getting a little bit older and a little tireder.
Bħala theatre collective, aħna l-collective jismu Shrinking Violets, The Shrinking Violets. Jiena u Maria Buckle, Kathy Lawler, Denise Mulholland li hija waħda mill-cast members, l-attriċi tal-show, u Joe Caruana. Dejjem qed nippruvaw nfittxu scripts li naqra innovattivi li għandhom storja importanti, li hemm mużika ġo fihom. Forsi għandhom xi mistoqsijiet importanti jew naqra diffiċli, moviment, affarijiet hekk nħobbu aħna. U grazzi tal-Arts Council ġibna l-fondi biex nistgħu nagħmlu biex nistgħu ntellaw dan ix-show.
No way, it took him 30 minutes to get milk and stamps from the shops. It's less than 5 minutes away. He's timed it. I'm not sure, but I thought he was just trying to get out of writing the Christmas cards every year. As if I'd have let him do them anyway. Relax and think.
Oh, see, I wasn't thinking, and now you've told me to think, so we'll be able to find them much more easily, right?
Fantastic, brilliant. Great work, Arthur.
Oh, thank you very much, Jane, because everything else is my fault, right?
ħajsir fi frar on the 3rd, 4th to 5th and 10th, 11th, 12th. U ħajkun at the theatre next door ta' MALTARTI.